Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. This one is for June 2022, and look how freaking cute this bag is. I am in love, obsessed with this aesthetic. It is so freaking cute. I love this bag. It's like really soft cotton, so it's another one of those. I'm really pleased with it. So, anyway. So, it's still got the show your colors vibe, theme, whatever. But, alas, this one does not have the product info. What it has is 5 ingredients for a fruit-powered glow. Spot one in a formula? Here's what it's up to. Papaya gently breaks down dead skin cells with exfoliating papain enzymes, fab for acne-prone types. Watermelon hydrates, it's made up of 93% water, helps reduce redness, nourishes, and protects. Blueberries, antioxidant rich to help fight free radicals, tame inflammation, and boost your SPF. Coconut, high in nutrients like vitamin C and majorly hydrating to help keep your complexion fresh and dewy. Avocado, packed with healthy oils and fatty linoleic and oleic acids to condition and moisturize dry skin. So that's cool, but would have rather had the info on my products, but I'll just show them off, I guess. So first things first, we have from Dr. Brandt, the Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. Nothing much to show here, it's very plain packaging, but maybe that's the best kind, because sometimes the plainest ones are the ones that work the best. I don't know. I've yet to use anything by this brand. I have a bunch of things from this brand that I need to get on it and start using, but I haven't yet used any, so I don't know what to expect with them, but hopefully good things. Then, from Plum, we have another Candy Melts Vegan Lip Balm. This one is in Bubble Melon Yum, which sounds absolutely delicious. I also have like a purple one that I think was like my brain keeps wanting to go Plum because of the brand name, but I know it wasn't Plum. I want to say it was like berry, if I remember right. So, anyways, this one sounds far more my vibe, but they both sound good, and I'm really excited either way. So I'm going to put that over with the lippies to be reviewed. Then, this is a Natasha Denona palette. It's the Jubilee one. It's got 5 shades in it. Vintage Taupe, Intense, Limoncello, Enigma, and Mint Frost. And it looks like this. It is, in fact, the one that people were shitting all over when it first came out. I remember people bitching about this one in different beauty boxes when they got it. I got the other one in BoxyCharm that came out around the same time that I feel was better, but now I got this one. People's complaint weren't that the product itself is bad or that the formula is bad. No. I mean, it's Natasha Denona. You know it'll be good. But it's just that none of these colors really go with each other, so it's kind of like an odd choice. But, you know, I mean, individually, like, I could see them all working well. I mean, I'm a little iffy on that black one, but the rest of them, they all look good to me. So, kind of cool to have another bougie eyeshadow palette. So, I'm going to set that over here for now. Next, we have got something in a box. From Dr. Zenobia, Hormonal Dermatology, Essentials, Hyaluronic Acid and Peptide Serum. Regulate 360 Complex, Antioxidants, firms, nourishes, plumps, and tones the skin. Clinical Plumping Hydration, clinical grade, fractioned hyaluronic acid provides deep, nourishing hydration, while a powerful peptide complex helps to visibly firm, plump, and tone skin for a youthful, radiant appearance. Okay, that is pretty much what hyaluronic acid does. It is cruelty-free, gluten-free, artificial color-free, no phthalates, no parabens, no sodium lauryl sulfates, no petroleum mineral oil, no propylene glycol, reduced plastic, and is recyclable. So the Regulate 360 active complex contains resveratrol, bakuchiol, genistein, green tea, polyphenols, aloe barbadensis leaf juice, and cucumber fruit extract. Then the regular ingredients besides that are purified water, glycerin, sodium PCA, sodium hyaluronate, hydrolyzed sodium hyaluronate, resveratrol, bakuchiol, white tea extract, green tea extract, genistein, punica granatum, sterols, cucumber fruit extract, aloe leaf juice. I guess the full list of ingredients includes the ones from the Regulate 360 thing. Palmitoyl, tripeptide 28, ergothioneine, glutathione, zinc PCA, copper PCH, copper acetate, phenoxyethanol, and disodium EDTA. Each Doctor's Notia skincare product is scientifically formulated with her breakthrough Regulate 360 complex clinically proven to help address the appearance of hormone-impacted skin. Featuring medical-grade actives including resveratrol, vitamin E, green tea, bakuchiol, and a cutting-edge plant-derived phytoestrogen known as genistein. This proprietary technology helps restore the appearance of hormonally imbalanced skin to an optimal healthy state. I can almost definitely use that. Even if it were just like normal run-of-the-mill hyaluronic acid serum. If it is for hormonally imbalanced, that would definitely help me. Then we have from Bella and Argent, their tinted lip balm in For Wednesday's Pink. I love that. I love that. The Mean Girls reference. Ooh, it is purple. It's purple. Which just makes it funnier that it has pink in the name, but it's purple. Let's see it. Oh, it's cute. I don't know how tinted that'll realistically be, but it is cute. I want to smell it. Why am I rolling it up like that? I should not. Smells like nothing. That's okay. It doesn't need to smell like anything. Okay. So let's just close that for now. Put that over with the lippies to be reviewed. Over here. And the last product in here is from Galactic, and it is a metallic shadow stick in the color Riches. I'm gonna take a wild guess that it's either like gold or a copper. I may have thought wrong if that sticker is to be believed. No, wait, no, maybe not. But then again, this is like the color of all their packaging, so I would be wrong. I would be wrong. But that's really pretty. Actually, I'm glad I'm wrong because I think I like that color better. Alright. Ooh. Well, I fucked that up. I got it in the cap already, just trying to put the cap back on. I suck. That's on me. Where did I put the box? Okay, well, hopefully I didn't gouge it too badly, but I mean, it's only tea. It'll be fine, but anyway. That is what I got in my June 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. What did you get in yours if you're a subscriber? What are you the most looking forward to seeing me review first? Leave that as well as anything about anything down below in the comments. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.